Welcome back to Cleaning This Mess. Today we're going to be doing an all-day clean with me. But without further ado, let's get started cleaning this mess.
But you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving
guys, wrapping this all day clean with me video up. I was really surprised at how long the living room actually took me to complete. I wasn't expecting it to take that long. I was expecting to at least get to the dining room before I had to leave today. But I'm going to show you everything that I got done today and then explain a few things that you see that I haven't gotten to yet. Got this little area cleaned off and dusted. I know you see things right here. This is Austin's gym bag. I got that packed and it's ready for him to take to the gym. I was using this dog food bag as trash. And there's a giveaway bag right there, and these are clothes I need to take and donate. This stuff needs to go into the kids' room, but they need to clean their room before I put that stuff in there. I got this stuff is all nice and cleaned off. I dusted all of that, cleaned the pictures. These pillows and blankets are here because I'm going to wash them before putting them back on the couch. As always, my sock basket that honestly I need to get it gone through because it's kind of embarrassing. Got this little table cleaned off. The computer's cleaned off again. The TV is all cleaned and dusted. This I'm getting ready to take down. That's why you didn't see me touch that. I'm actually going to be throwing this away and storing all of the stuff on there for... There's my kitty. I did vacuum my couch, but all of this is clean. Did the floors. And you did not see me clean windows because I'm going to do windows in a video to itself, and my kids' bunk bed ladder is right there. Thank you so much for joining me on this all day clean with me. I feel like I got a lot of stuff done. I still have a lot more stuff to do, but if I do, you'll see it. If an extreme clean with me in my living room is what this pretty much turned into. But I hope that you guys enjoyed and you got some motivation out of this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys and communicate with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys!